Welcome to Intelligere. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to compare your purchase ledger with GST portal data using the GST Compare module. Step 1. Click on the GST Compare module from your dashboard. Step 2. Click on the Upload CSV button. Step 3. Select the financial year from the drop-down list. Step 4. Choose the From Month and To Month as per your requirement. Step 5. Click the CSV button and upload your purchase ledger file from your system. Step 6. Once uploaded, you'll see the message, Purchase Ledger Data Uploaded, on the left side. Step 7. Now click on the Upload CSV button again, this time to upload your GST portal data file. Step 8. Once both files are uploaded, your matched and unmatched entries will be displayed. Step 9. If there is an URD, unregistered dealer, entry in unmatched data, select the GST rate, click the URD button, and it will be calculated in the GSTR3B report. Step 10. If any RCM, reverse charge mechanism, entries are present, they will be highlighted in yellow. Step 11. To convert unmatched entries into RCM, select the checkbox next to the entry and click on the RCM button. Step 12. If you don't want to include certain GST portal entries in the calculation, select them and click the Block Entries button. This will reflect in the GSTR3B report. Step 13. If some invoices were already calculated in the previous month but are appearing again, select them and click on Not to be considered. This too will update the GSTR3B report accordingly. Step 14. To view supplier names, click on the Supplier Name button and entries will be updated with their respective names. Step 15. To download the pre-filled GSTR3B report, click on the GSTR3B button. Reports such as matched entries, RCM, ITC reversal, credit, debit notes, and annexes 1 to 6 will be generated based on your data. Step 16. To download the full GST Compare Excel file, including both purchase ledger and GST portal entries, scroll to the bottom left and click the Download button. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload and compare CSV data in the GST Compare module of Intelligere. GST reconciliation made effortless with Intelligere's GST Compare. Upload your purchase ledger and GST portal data, match entries, handle URD and RCM cases, and generate your GSTR3B report, all in one streamlined flow. Stay compliant, save time, and simplify your GST filing. Get started now. Need help? Our friendly support team is just a message away. Call or email us using the details on screen. And don't forget to book your demo today. Future of Accounting, Intelligere.
you.